everybody, Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing, this time for Stickii Club Cute Pack, December 2020, last one of the year. Let's get into it. If I can find my pinhead. Just a reminder, I am visually impaired. So I use the zoom on my camera and reader glasses to be able to see fine details of what I'm looking at, what we're looking at, what anybody's looking at. Oh my goodness. It's not ripping. Hold on. May or may not have ripped things inside. Who knows? Yes, I did. Yes, I certainly did. And I believe this is what happened the last time when I thought it was torn in transit. It was not. It was up at the top, but it's probably fixable. A little bit of tape. No worries. Alright, so here is the front of the cute pack here. You already got a sneak peek at the back, so let's get into it. Alright, here's our theme sticker. Is this the year of the bunny? This says year of the bun, but like, is that the year? The zodiac for the Chinese New Year? It's the bunny? I like the bunny. If you watch Fruits Basket, you know the bunny. It's very cute. We are off to a great start. Perfect. Oop. Let's put that in frame, why don't we? Alright, our secondary pocket with the flap. It looks like we got something in plastic. Looks like maybe a vinyl sticker. Maybe there's more than one. That's the reason why it's in plastic. I'm a fumble fingers all video today. Oh, it's a couple of them. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got several little bunnies. I believe they're the same ones from the theme sticker. Yes. And they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 of them. Those are adorable. Look at them. And they're not all the same because they're in different poses. I love the gold foiling too. That's adorable. All right. Last pocket on the front side is usually our stationery pocket. And it's usually a notepad. Looks like I am correct. Oh my goodness. I have all sorts of fumble fingers today. It's not being... Let's just tear it. How'd you get into that? Oh, I tore it. Okay, we got definite notebook paper, not Post-its. Multiple sheets. Alright, there's a book up here. Rimmed with some sort of plant. And the cutest little bunny. Oh, it's 4-leaf clovers. This is adorable. I like notepads that have like a design to them where you get like right in the middle. Little difficult, not too bad. Oh, reason why we got a lighting situation here. It snowed and the lighting situation outside isn't ideal. Don't know if you wanted to know that, but we got our first major snowstorm of the season. All right, let's go to the back panel. That again, I tore. Alright, I can fix it. Little washi tape. Little washi tape on the edges. That'll be fine. I got plenty of that. Look at all this. Okay, this time I'm not going to spoil it and set them all out. I'm just going to go through them one by one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these are so adorable. A bun on a macaron. Oh, duckies. I love duckies. Especially cartoon duckies. When they're dry. Oh. Pancakes. I want some pancakes. Oh, little egg bed. Is it egg bread? Egg bread. Sorry. Look like little wizards here. Oh my god. It's like they're like doing little activities. Oh my goodness. So cute. On a whale. We're just on a whale. On a whim. On a wish and a whale. Aww. It's the moon buddy. Little yeah. Fun fact, many Asian cultures believe that the man in the moon, that we think is a man in the moon anyway, is actually a bunny pounding mochi or something like that. Give that a goog, in case you don't believe me. Alright, next sheet. Okay. I got a new lamp. That's why it's so bright. It's a regular old lamp. Oh, another bunny. This time with a teacup. Some more food. Love that. Love that. It's so adorable. Small little bits of candy and whatnot. Bunny with wings. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine a bunny with wings? Especially when they're hopping mad. That's 2 for 2 today. I'm on a roll. Or am I 3 on a roll? I don't know. Bunny on a roll, maybe? Oh my god. Oh, that is so cute. Do we not have a maker? Oh, so maybe somebody at Stickii Club created this. No. No, there's something here. Unless that's just another sticker. But you know what? It's somebody's name. Maybe they're going to put names on now. That would be great. Like, this is the person there that created it. Secretaries used to do that back in the day with when they would type out letters, they would put their initials down at the bottom to denote who did it. Now, this is not a solid sheet. It's a clear backing. That's why I put it on the back of the last sheet so we could see it better. Okay, let's see what we got here. Obviously, more bunnies. This time, more realistic bun. Bunny, bunny, bun, bun. Oh, that's a cute face. Bunny, bunny. I don't know any bunny songs except for Peter Cottontail, but it's too late in the season for that. Too late in the season. Oh, they're kissing. I can't read that, but that's okay. You can. Our next sheet here looks like it goes with the notepad, and I think I can see some, maybe a little tiny bit of foiling. Because there's the book, and yes, if you look at it, little itty bitty bit of foiling. Maybe. It looks like a 4-leaf clover. Very cute. chunky bun head. Hard to find, lucky to have. Aww. That's so cute. These are adorable. Do bunnies like the taste of clovers? Do they enjoy the taste? I bet they do. I wonder if clovers taste sweet to them. Just tastes like grass to us. And here we go with the artist brand. Next sheet here is another clear sheet. Is it only one? Sure is. Let's turn this over. Give you a look-see before I smooch it closer. Smooch. Oh, it's cakes. It's sparkly cakes. Some things have faces. That looks like maybe a duck. I'm not 100% sure. There's a sheep. Are these some of the members of the Zodiac, or are they just random? Because that looks like Bun. I don't know. Or maybe they're just different bunnies. I'll see in post-production. I'll be like, oh, duh. That's totally a bunny. Looks like they repeat over and over again. I think that's my best angle to show the artist's mark. But to me, that looks like nothing there. I'm sure it's the... Yes, it is. That's cute. Alright, our next sheet is puffy stickers. You can always tell, besides by the fact that they look puffy, they always have an outer sheet to protect them. because they stick out and they don't want them to rub against each other. But here we go. There's the long shot. What do we got here? Is this, let's see, that looks kind of like a dumpling. It's a bun dumpling. I think they are. I got us a little closer. They're desserts, but I think they're also like bun dumplings or bun desserts. They're very, very cute. They're all very, they repeat over and over. Let's go back out a bit so that way it's not too close. Made by someone at Stickii. They made that puffy too. Okay, those are adorable. I can't wait to use those everywhere. Alright, last sticker sheet. The reason why I say last is because that's not a sticker sheet. We'll see that in a minute. Oh, these are like cute little like seals or something to put on the back of like letters. They could just be like, you know, regular stickers too. Who knows? But maybe they could be for the last item. That's adorable. Look at that bunny. A lot of people like solid color bunnies. I do too, but I also like the cute little multicolored friends. Oh, we've seen them before. Y Studio. Finally getting to notice some of the different brands. Okay, so that's the last sticker sheet. This here, I believe, is a money envelope. I do not know the whole tradition behind it, but I know that on the New Year's, people in Asian cultures, Japanese especially, I'm not sure about all of them though, but they give each other like some funds. I'll put something over here to let you know what that is, because I'll have to look that up obviously, but it's just a regular envelope. Excuse me. I don't think it will fit our money, and I don't have any money right now to show you. But it's empty, but it has the most beautiful designs on it that look like the last sticker set. So yeah, you could use it to seal the back of this with. That's what that's for. You can use it for any kind of gift money, honestly. You could put this in an envelope and send it to your grandchildren, nieces, nephews, little kids in your life. You could even send it to anyone you want in your life. But as far as I know, I believe that's what it is. We don't get like a description from Stickii every month of what's in our item, in our pamphlet. So I will have to guess. But I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because I also remember them being red. Because of Animal Crossing. All right, what do we think about this month's? Now, remember, these stickers are actually for your January planners, but you can use them for anything. That's the reason why it's not Christmas themed, and last month's was Christmas themed. Thank you so much for coming. I cannot wait to open my next one, and hopefully the next one I'm a little bit more careful. You have a wonderful day.